And so that's why I think wolves are better than bunnies.
Well, I think bunnies are better than wolves. They're way cuter. They're way fluffier.
Well, you know what? Wolves are better than bunnies. They're adorbs. And also, bunnies are just nice. Come on, be fierce. Be a rebel.
What the heck was that?
It was nothing. You know what? How about we see if wolves are better than bunnies? Because they
How?
are. A contest.
What kind of contest? Okay.
Quick exchange. Da 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 Three, two, wait! Come on.
Show yourself.
Wait. Okay, I'm ready.
Show yourself.
Oh, wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, say no. I know he's disgusting. Wait, I got a text from Lexi.
This is what happens.
Okay. What did I say? No. Wait. I have a clumsy purse. Hiya! And let the rap battle begin. Do you want to go first or do I want to go first? Wolves! Wolves! You scream their name, they're wolves, they're fierce and awesome. You can't be a bunny fan. Wolves! 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 They're fierce. Unlike bunnies, they're cool. Unlike bunnies, they're fluffy. They're fierce. They're dogs. And they're fluffy. They're wolves. Adorable. Break it down. Oh!
Just give me a second. I'll be right with you.
Why do you have mouse ears on? You're a bunny.
Just count me as a bunny.
Mouse, bunny, mousy, mouse, mounty, money.
First of all, bunnies are better than wolves because they're fluffier, adorableuer, and they're nicer than you. Your wolves are not cool. Your wolves are not cute. They're not adorable.